Should we introduce you as the court? Because I don't think the wig and the drumstick. Is there a reason we have a wig?
Like they wear those like white, you know, the powdered wigs.
This is gonna be hard to get through. Madison owes me my appointment to a government position.
Adam's never finalized it, so no, I don't.
No, he doesn't. And guess what? You just gave me the right to review all federal government cases, laws, and disputes.
Okay, so I am
Macaulay.
Okay.
The national bank in our state should be taxed.
We can have the bank in your state because we need to coin money.
The national government can have the bank in Maryland because of the necessary and proper clause, and they do not need to be taxed because of the supremacy clause.
A federal license gives me permission to operate steamboats here.
But the state didn't authorize it.
That doesn't matter. The federal government is supreme.
Minorities don't have to give up their seats for white dudes.
Yeah, you do.
Yes, you do. Separate is equal.
So, about that separate but equal thing.
Forget it. Alright. Who's next?
Hey, it does! And this is out of sight over here. Okay, is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
I will cut it out.
Okay.
I won't keep this part in.
You can't do drugs on the job.
But it's my religion.
You still can't do drugs on the job.
That is my line, right?
You can't pray in schools.
Even if it's voluntary?
You can, but teachers can't lead the prayer. Church and state don't mix.
Your kids need to go to school until they're 16.
Not if they're Amish.
Not if they're Amish.
Your kids need to go to
Is it because I'm Amish?
Take 23. Dead bunny rabbits. Your kids need to go to school until they're 16.
Not if they're Amish.
We were so close.
You have one line!
Okay.
They don't need to know that.
The government can't reimburse religious schools with public money.
Yes, they can.
They can't, because laws must have a valid and secular purpose, must neither advance nor inhibit religion, and must lack excessive entanglement between the government and religion.
We should call this test the lemon test, because I'm awesome.
Nah.
Yeah. Let's overthrow the government.
You can't say that.
You can. The First Amendment applies to the states, but in certain circumstances, dangerous speech must be prevented.
We have the Pentagon Papers.
What? You can't publish that. Give this back.
Actually, they can, because they got them legally.
Calm down. Students have the right to free speech.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Our school newspaper is protected by the First Amendment, just like other newspapers.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Fire!
What? You can't do that! You may think you have First Amendment rights and the freedom of speech, but saying fire when there's not a fire violates the clear and present danger test. It doesn't pass it like it's supposed to. Therefore, your speech can be limited because you're presenting a danger to yourself and others.
Interracial marriages are okay.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are, because of the equal protection and due process clauses.
To help minorities get into college, colleges can use race as an admissions factor. There we go.
But that's not fair.
To help minorities get into college, colleges can use race as an admissions factor.
But that's not fair.
Actually, the government and colleges cannot support a racial quota system, although they may use affirmative action.
This is so great.
You can't reject me in favor of a minority student with lower grades.
Yeah, I can.
They can. Colleges can use race as an admissions factor as long as all applicants are adequately reviewed.
What now?
Don't make me rethink my decision!
Ditto.
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 Oh, yes. Yes! That's so incriminating.
Look at all this evidence that we have against you.
Doesn't count, you got it illegally.
Doesn't count.
Ha.
We don't talk about it. These look enough like handcuffs. You've been convicted. Now go to jail.
But I didn't know about my right to counsel.
When someone's convicted, they must be read their rights.
Can we name those rights after me?
Fine.
Let's ban handguns.
You can't do that.
You can't. The Second Amendment applies to the states as well.
Yeah. I demand a lawyer.
Too bad.
Hey, everyone gets a lawyer.
Yeah. I want an abortion.
But you can't have one.
Actually, you can, because the implied right to privacy is in the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution.
Let's make a movie bashing Hillary Clinton.
Stop that.
Corporations are protected by the First Amendment. They can make the movie.
I want to donate more than the limit set by the Bipartisan Campaign Reform Act.
But you can't do that.
Actually, you can. The limit for individuals set by BICRA is unconstitutional. And Miss Weaver would have just looked at it.
Individuals can only donate so much to a campaign.
But that violates the First Amendment.
Actually, it doesn't. But candidates themselves can donate as much as they want to their own campaign.
I can gerrymander.
But not if you use it to discriminate based on race.
I agree with Vera.
Some parts of the Voting Rights Act are unconstitutional.
Nope.
Yes, they are. And sections 4 and 5 need to be revised.
Let's see if your wig will hold this. Hey, it does. You didn't reapportion our seats for the state's General Assembly.
So what?
Can I make a decision here? Yes, I can. Legislative reapportionment is now under judicial jurisdiction.
Your voting district is unproportional.
There is no problem with my voting district.
Just remember, voting districts can't be unequal.
Breathe. I want a recount of the votes in Florida.
Well, you can't have one.
You really can't have one because the federal government is not in control of elections in Florida, and therefore making them recount will be unconstitutional.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Sarah, you didn't try to text me, did you?
Yes.
I left my phone at work, so.
Oh, that'd be why. Okay. Okay, Leah, your line is, but I'm the president. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell how dirty those are? It doesn't matter.
Nixon was a dirty guy.
True.
Give us those tapes.
But I'm the president.
Actually, give them the tapes.
Even though I'm the president?
Even though you're the president, executive privilege is not explicitly stated in the Constitution, therefore does not exist, especially in criminal punishments. Okay.
Get back those tapes. Get them back.
We good?
I love this line item veto thing.
But you can't use it.
What?
Can't use it. Line item vetoes are unconstitutional because it breaks separation of powers.
Okay.
Sierra, what time is it?
Boom! Whatever.
Yes.
How do we not do that?
I'm good. I can say it right now. The national government can have a bank in Maryland because one of their enumerated powers is to coin money, and the necessary... No.
You're not Iowa yet.
No, it's not.
Please do that. Whoa.
I think I saw
Whoa.
Ohio somewhere.
I have
Whoa.
it. Not if they're Amish.
The more you know.
Dun, 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 dun.
But I didn't know about my right to counsel.
You just rolled your eyes at me.
Alright.
Let's make a movie bashing Hillary Clinton.
Stop it.
Wait, maybe?
No, we can't stop laughing. We mustn't do that.
Can we have the easy bake oven in front of me?
So your line
Do you-
is, so what?
No, we're doing
Here, so do you want to do my Snapchat?
Nope. You're worried about the wig looking undignified? Give us those tapes.
Aubrey, you can't do that. We're filming.
Give us those tapes.
No. I honestly didn't know what my line was.
Fire! Fire!
What? You can't do that!
Do I have a line?
Yeah, you were gonna say you can't do that with me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Overthrow the government!
You can't say that!
Hello, I'm President Nixon, and I'm going to eavesdrop on all your conversations.
Oops, goats are rebels. In case you're wondering.
No, I guess it's the same thing.
You know the look that Whitmer is gonna give me.